In this video, we're gonna learn how to remove the eye bags using the patch tool. So this picture I just downloaded off Google, and it's a JPEG. I'm gonna duplicate this, Control J, make a copy, and then I'm gonna use this tool called patch tool. So basically, you gotta draw a loss around the area that you wanna fix, and then you drag it to area where you wanna sample it, and that's it. Done. Control D. So this is the one I worked on. This is the original. You want to see compare original. This is the one that's worked. Now let's do the second eye. Same thing. This is selected. You gotta do it like this. You drag it here. Control D. Done. So this is the original. This is the one that we fixed. Thank you for watching.